Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not Topaz AI is free. In order to do so, here we are at topazlabs.com. And as you can see, we have four options up here at the top. The API is less of a focus. What we want to take a look at is the photo AI, the video AI, and gigapixel. And we'll click on Photo AI so that you could see for yourself that in order to gain access to Photo AI with Topaz Labs, there is a charge of $199 for the basic price. That is currently on sale for $169. However, that price may not last long. So the basic price is $199, and this is for studio level focus, detail, and clarity anywhere you shoot. Here you can see you have a few examples of what kind of options you gain access to with Photo AI, and you can do a variety of things here, from upscaling to recovering faces, etc., adding enhancements. Well, if we take a look at video AI, you can see here that it costs $299 to gain access to the video AI. Now, one thing that Topaz seems to be doing different from other platforms is it does appear to allow you to purchase their platforms for a one-time cost, compared to other platforms which usually require you to have a subscription. So if you want something that is a one-time cost and you don't have to worry about subscriptions, that you might want to consider Topaz Labs. Let's take a look at Gigapixel, and you can see for yourself that Gigapixel is $99, and this can be used for upscaling and enhancing an image up to 16 times. So this is not a bad option compared to some of the options that are out there. This is actually a rather cost-effective option compared to some other upscaling platforms. So if you're interested in a one-time payment, then Topaz Labs might be something that you might be interested in. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.